Welcome to Dyer Doodles.
Dyer Doodles.
Let's learn how to draw a mermaid. The letter U, like this. We're gonna do two little lines for her neck. So draw her shoulders and arms. I'm gonna draw her fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna draw 4 fingers.
Okay.
We're gonna trace the arm back. I'm gonna give this mermaid a tank top.
A tank top?
A tank top. So we're gonna go like this.
Okay.
And then draw a little circle for the neck.
What?
Neckline. And typically she's floating in water, so you might see just a little bit of her stomach. I'm just gonna draw a little bit of her stomach there. And then I'm going to draw kind of like teardrops, like this. 2 teardrops. Now we're gonna draw the tail.
It's not a cute cup.
You can draw her tail however squiggly you want. Draw a big line here. Big line there. And then I'm gonna arch them back like this. I like to put some lines on the tail like this.
And I like to do some dots on it.
And you can even do some letter U's and double U's on the tail. I'm going to draw this here. And I'll even draw some ears. Curvy. So this is what I'm gonna do here. Eyes. When it's a girl, I like to put some eyelashes. And then I'll draw a nose.
I may draw the nose.
A big smile.
And my nose is
Crown.
I may put a crown on her.
We got my 5-year-old's mermaid. A big arc. I'm gonna draw a big mouth.
I'm drawing a hammer shark.
A fin.
That is a shark.
I don't know.
Looks like a whale.
Let's draw some shark teeth. I'd even add a little bit of a fin in the back so it's on the other side. Alright, I'm going to draw an octopus. Yep, let's do a little oval.
Of tentacles around
Lots
him.
of tentacles. You can draw them in all sorts of directions.
Okay.
Some little eyeballs. Little eyebrows. Maybe I'll give him little spots for the little sections.
What about the mouth?
I don't think... I think the mouth is like in a different spot. Got a shark there.
Teeth.
How about starfish, actually? Starfish.
Hey.
Sure. A little bit of dots.
I can put the bottom. My mermaid, right?
Now we're going to do that shape again. Little eyeball.
No, thank you. Like me overwhelming if you keep seeing it. Okay. Water.
Water. Okay. So in order to draw water, this is what I would do. Little waves and bubbles.
Whoa.
And draw some seaweed on the bottom of the
I
ground.
was gonna put my stickers somewhere else. Mermaids and fish and starfish.
Okay.
I better go there.
And then here's my 5-year-old's drawing. Beautiful mermaid. Fabulous. There and the fish. Oh, that's a shark.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
the
yeah,
shark
sure.
is all green and dark.